how to reopen Instagram photos once already viewed. So right now, as you can see guys, I have this view photo. So if I open this photo and if I want to reopen this photo, then let's see what happens. Okay, so right now this is a photo and this is the second time I have reopened. Now for the third time I can't open this. So if you want to reopen for the third time, I'm sorry guys to let you know that that's not possible to do it, but only possible if you have a secondary phone and you click the photo while you have opened for the first time. So this is by default not possible to reopen a photo once you have already opened it. So yeah, that's the only way. If you have a secondary phone, you just click the photo and that's how you get the photo on your secondary phone. And other than that, there is no other way you can do it. So hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.